Today, we will explain the upload feature. The upload feature, found beneath every shot, gives you several ways to influence your images using your own visuals. The simplest option is simple image upload. Just upload an image and it will be inserted directly into your storyboard, perfect for integrating your own photos or reference visuals. With image to image, you upload an image that should serve as a reference for the generated shot. This is ideal when you have a specific angle, perspective, mood, or composition in mind. You can adjust the reference strength using the slider to control how strongly the AI should follow your uploaded image. Just make sure your shot description aligns well with your reference. Otherwise, the final result might look a bit unusual. Sketch to image is extremely powerful if you have hand-drawn or pre-designed sketches. Upload your sketch, ensure it matches your shot description, and watch the system transform it into a fully rendered storyboard image in your chosen style. And with Replace Background, you can upload your own background image to substitute the existing one. The AI will blend it naturally into the scene, making small adjustments as needed, while still preserving the overall composition. It's a great way to bring your own locations or visual mood directly into your storyboard.